Hey, welcome to the Ridgeway World. I'm Jeff, you're not. We're on an adventure today, not off to see the wizard or anything, but we're over here in Vineland. Connie, what are we doing today?
Hey, Jeffrey. Well, you're helping me bring my travel trailer in the camping world. We're going to get ourselves a new fifth wheel.
Very nice.
Since I traded my truck in and ordered one, and you know how this day and age.
So, size-wise, is this one bigger than mine?
I'm sorry, it is.
Damn it to hell! Everything's got to be bigger than Jeffrey's. So, but what we're doing today, folks, we're going to be taking the Hemisphere, which is Connie and Gail's trailer they had for how long now?
5 years.
5 years. So they're going to be trading it in on a new one. And what kind are you getting now?
Keystone Cougar.
Keystone Cougars.
368 MBI.
Okay. So either way, they're going to be trading this in, getting a new fifth wheel. So Connie also had to outdo Jeff and order a new truck that's the same as, no, it's the same as mine, but better, right?
No, it's
Look, you got the guilty smile on your face.
It's the same truck. It's just
No, it isn't. No, is it a Laramie or is it a Bighorn?
It's not a Laramie.
What is it? Does it have heated seats?
Stop competing. There's no competition here, folks.
Yeah, but look, did you see that lion face she had with that big shit-eating grin she had? Yeah, so she got the better ones, has heated seats, it probably has, what, it has 9-inch digital readout in the middle?
No, it has 8.
Look, she can't even contain herself.
But
look.
it does have a camera on the back for the fifth wheel.
Oh, it does?
It does.
That's bullshit.
I ordered it.
Oh, you ordered it?
I told
Where's
you.
it sit back there, in the back of the bed?
It's right behind, between the two lights there.
Oh, okay.
It's called a stoplight with cargo camera.
Oh, okay. I like that.
It's only like $295.
So maybe it's an add-on if I go to Dodge or something, since we hold.
You may be able to take that off and put it right on there. It's not expensive.
Okay.
But it's nice because you can see your fifth wheel when you're backing up. You can watch the whole thing.
So, but again, Connie's truck isn't due in for probably another 5 weeks. 5 weeks. So Connie needed the beast to pull this trailer. Look at this. This is the 2021 Dodge or Ram 3500 6.7 Cummins diesel 4-wheel drive. It's the baby. So it has like a 22,000 pound capacity towing, which we need because us, Connie and Gail, Terry, we all go camping to a lot of different places, and for safety and safety reasons, we went with the dualies this year. Isn't that a lot better and safer?
Oh, absolutely.
So
the other truck was so swirly, even with this.
Right.
And it said pull 16,000 pounds, and I just didn't feel comfortable with it.
Right.
So it's all good.
So we're getting old, and we're treating ourselves. But you're like a year younger than me. You just look older than I do. But either way, so we're trying to be safer when we camp. So, oh what? So, but either way, what we're trying to do here is we're going to trade her in. But again, this is the truck. We both got him now. Well, she should get one, and we'll show hooking up to the trailer.
And we're going to teach Jeffrey how to do a blind back today, and maybe y'all need to learn as well.
No, Jeffrey goes from the opposite side. So what we're doing here today is we're going to be mounting. We already mounted the hitch. We're going to be mounting the trailer, running that to Camping World, and then we're going to be hooking up a new fifth wheel on the hitch that I already have in the back, as long as everything goes right.
As long as it's Jeff approved.
It's all about Jeff for some stupid reason. I don't know why. It's always that way. But Con, hold the camera. I got a new camera person now, so what you're going to do is you're going to talk me into getting next to that thing and show them how it's done, how close we got to get, all right?
All right, sir.
You can talk to the camera if you want to.
Doesn't he have a camera on the back? I guess he does, right? He's a little bit off. You have to make sure the height is right. There we go. Alright, you're good. Let's see. Yes, sir. Alright, let's see if this bad boy goes down on.
Thank you, camera lady.
It's hard to direct you. And
I know, and to hold the camera, right?
I'm not very good at that.
So, and it shows you how bad I was on that one. I do have a rear camera that shows me that.
I said that on the camera. I said I thought he might have a rear bumper.
And look, it has a dent on it right there already, too. Did that at Jesse's house. Do you want me to come back a little bit?
Wait, we forgot these.
Okay.
This is why I'm getting a fifth wheel, to eliminate all these steps.
Yeah, because these are stabilizer bars. I don't know if anybody on the or viewing this knows that when you're driving down the road and all hell's breaking loose and wind is blowing and everything, this will keep the sway away from your trailers, or from your trailer. You know, and nothing like going down the road and you're between two tractor trailers, and then all of a sudden, you know, the wind and everything, it scares the shit out of you. You get all white knuckled on your steering wheel. So Connie's going to be putting on these stabilizer bars. I can't touch them because they're greasy.
Because I'm all about grease.
Yeah, Connie's all about grease. Because Connie, what do you do for a living?
I drive tractor trailers, Jeffrey.
How many years?
14 years.
And how many years with the company, the UPS company?
I've been in UPS 34 years. I delivered in the little brown trucks for 18.
So.
And I have 31 years safe driving.
And I was going to bring that up because I knew you had so many years of safe driving,
right.
which is commendable, and congratulations.
Thank you.
So Connie knows what she's doing. She always talks crap on me when I drive. How many times am I supposed to check my mirrors?
Every 5 to 8 seconds.
I'm not doing that. But either way, this is what we're at. So I'll bring it back on once we get moving, but we're going to be hooking this up and getting it all ready and moving. Hey everybody, we made it here to Camping World in Bridgeport. We're dropping off the older trailer. You happy? Saying goodbye, ladies.
It's been good.
Oh yeah, it is a good trailer. It's perfect.
Good memory.
Right.
Jeff got it all dirty because he needs to get some mud flaps.
Yeah, I got to get some Ram mud flaps for the truck. But again, we're going to be going over to, I guess it's called a staging area. Staging area where the new trailer is. This one will sit here. They've already did their inspection on it. And so basically this is traded in. And again, we'll just go check out the new one in a minute.
Several times like this.
Yeah, hug it, Con. Give it a big hug.
I would, but you got it all dirty.
Yeah, well, it's not yours anymore. Who cares?
I have mud flaps on my truck.
Mm-hmm. Did you order that? You ordered mud flaps?
I'm actually searching for them right now.
Oh, okay.
And whatever I get, I'm going to buy you.
Okay.
For helping.
I want them customized. Just say Ridgeway on the back or something like that. What do you think? Right. Yeah. Connie and Gail on the back. Look. What do you think?
Awesome. Exciting. Good day. It's a good
Congratulations,
day.
ladies.
Blessed.
So we'll go
Blessed.
check out the new one, and
Yes.
then we're going to be hooking up and hauling it to your house.
Ready to roll.
All right.
With your approval.
Well, don't go by my approval. Hey, welcome back, everybody. Here's the exterior of Connie and Gail's new trailer. It's actually a beautiful unit. I think it's like 39 feet. It's a Cougar by Keystone with the double awnings. Beautiful exterior LED lighting. It doesn't have Ridgeway tires. I told Connie that already. She's kind of pissed off at me because I picked it apart and showed her that. But it's a gorgeous trailer. Once they do their walkthrough, they'll be going in and they'll be doing all their, I guess, finance stuff or signing titles and stuff like that. So, and in that case, what they're going to do, they've already talked to Camping World. Camping World's going to winterize it, because what they do is when they show a new trailer, they fill it with all the water again. And what they'll do is they'll drain it out, put the antifreeze through the lines to make it good for the winter for them. So when I drop it off at their house, everything will be ready and they can cover it or whatever they need to do to get it done. But if you see with this trailer, it has 3 slides on this side, which opens up and gives you plenty of room. And like I said, I think this is the galley, but I'm not sure. Bedroom right here, I think it came with a king-size bed. But beautiful compartments, heater, hot water heater. If anybody doesn't know, this is the hot water heater and this is the heater for the unit. Again, this is all your connections. But Keystone puts out a good product. Look at that. And it's also got a bunkhouse in the top. You can see that one window right up here. Yeah, that's got another small area that has a ladder for it. And yeah, they can I think sleep up to 6 or 8 people in this one. And again, I like all the LED lighting for this. Anybody that's done camping, always when you walk down the street and you're getting near your camper, you want to see it and you want people to see it. So I'll give you a quick tour once they're done looking around on the interior, and I guess then they'll winterize it and then we'll hook up and we'll take it home. So, oh, look at this. This is beautiful. No, I'm just going to slide around with this.
I want spring when I get my truck. That sounds good. You know? How you guys do, whatever it is.
Ladies, how happy are you with this?
Woo!
Yep.
This is awesome.
Very happy.
Look Look at the blue lights. Oh my god. It's like a blue light special.
The good thing about this one?
Say hi to the fans. Where's your
I don't know your name, but hi,
Brian,
I'm Jeff.
Brian.
This is Brian from Camping World. He's either a sales rep, technician. I don't know.
Yep,
You're a
service tech.
technician.
Yep, service
He's
tech.
doing a great job.
He's
Yeah.
awesome. He's amazing. Look at the lights. I'm so excited.
You have them, and then you got you can put them on the oven down at the bottom to see what's in there.
Oh, we don't use that.
Good thing about these,
Here.
Look, it turns
they
red.
turn red. So if you walk by and you see one on and there's no light, you know
that's
that you
amazing.
got gas.
That's
You got to be
awesome.
careful. And they're all the same. You basically you give them a click there,
Right.
and that fires them all up.
Nice size TV, good picture, plenty of storage.
Oven's a little different. The oven has to be held in. There's a prime, so you got to hold that in like yay, and
Oh, check this out. I don't know if I got ahead of myself. I just tore my own thing. Here you go. I think this is going to be the cat room. Isn't that the cat room, Gail?
Cat room and Connie.
Or, yeah, I was going to say, put Connie in there.
Connie and the cat.
Look at that. Little desk unit here, which is beautiful. Oh, yeah.
5-6 seconds, just for it to catch. Once it's good there,
I have one of those old
We're going to go up in the workroom and look at that.
with the
I have to dip my hand.
Here's the loft area.
hey, come back and get you every once in a while.
Look at that. That's very nice. Is this Connie's room, Gail? Is this Connie's bedroom up here?
When she's bad. When
Okay.
she's bad,
Yeah.
get the hell up there.
Okay. Nah, this is a beautiful, beautiful unit. Nice. Very similar to ours with the bathroom setup, but I think their sink hookup is a little bit better or easier to manage than ours. Oh, nice bedroom.
Oh, this is actually a good one. This one actually stays something.
King size bed. It looks like. I think Connie and Gail said they'd rather have a queen. I don't know why, because I'd much rather have a king. But there's plenty of storage. So, TV hookups right there. Put your mounting bracket. But again, it's a beautiful trailer, and I know they're happy, so we'll pick it up once we hook up and get ready to go. All right. Hey, we finally got back to Connie and Gail's house. The new trailer is getting backed in. See, if you notice, I'm not driving. There is no way in hell I'm backing a brand new trailer into somebody else's yard and going to get near somebody else's house. And plus, Connie's a professional driver, so she's going to do it. Look, oh look, she's so damn close to that mailbox.
Am I going to lose my mailbox?
Yeah, that's right. Looking good, Con. Woohoo! Yep. All right, folks. I'm going to sign off here. It's been an exciting day for Connie and Gail getting their new trailer, dropping the other one off, and Connie hasn't wrecked my truck yet while she's driving it, so I think we're good. Either way, have a good day and a great life. Thanks.